Ziox Mobiles has launched the Tubelight feature phone in India, which according to the company is aimed at breaking stereotypic features phones. It comes with multi-language support and privacy lock and inbuilt auto call recording. The Tubelight feature phone comes with a textured back finish and with 8 LED lights integrated. It sports 2.4 inches in size and comes with an auto call recording feature. It also has support for internet connectivity for you to stay in touch with the things happening around you. The Tubelight feature phone comes with a rear camera and a microSD expansion slot. It packs a 1800 mAh Li-ion battery, SOS feature for emergencies, and has support for wireless FM and speed dial. Connectivity features include Bluetooth and multi-language support. The Ziox Tubelight feature phone is priced at Rs 915 and will come in black and white colors. The phone is now available with leading retail stores across India.